Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming clip type and how the mirror is supported. You want to know whether clips hold pressure or are fastened with screws. That determines removal technique. Once identified, clear the area and put on gloves to protect edges. Use a flat screwdriver or putty knife to gently pry at the clip edge while supporting the mirror with your free hand. Move slowly and feel for resistance so you don't crack the glass or strip screws. Now you remove clips in a controlled sequence so the mirror won't fall. Loosen any fasteners a quarter turn and hold the mirror firmly. Do not remove all screws at once. For spring or snap clips, work each side a little at a time, prying outward and easing the clip off its shoulder. If adhesive is involved, score the bead and peel with a putty knife. Once a side loosens, shift support and continue until the mirror is free. Finish by lifting the mirror straight away from the wall and setting it on a padded surface. This prevents edge chips. Remove remaining clip hardware and inspect anchors. Replace bent or stripped clips before reinstalling. If a clip refuses to budge, apply gentle heat or a penetrating oil to the metal and wait 10 to 15 minutes, then retry. Repeating is okay. If the glass chips or a clip shears, stop and replace that part to avoid unsafe mounting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.